soap on it. I don't know how to work this motherfucker. I don't know which one it is. Oh, let me see, y'all. Let me see. There we go. Oh, this is shit. Gotta wash my car with. I can't let y'all see my tag. Gotta get the rims. Woo. Welcome back to another video, y'all. I got a lot of stuff to say, so y'all stay tuned. I gotta go get this spot cleaned up. I don't think none of that what's color gonna help. Yeah. I got a lot of stuff to say, y'all, so make sure y'all subscribe, man. That's a lot that's been going on. I ain't get the chance to tell y'all. So, we're finna get in this video in a minute, man. Just cleaning the Camaro off real quick. Hold on. I gotta soak the car up, you know. I'm doing this all by myself. I just wanna do it myself. I deserve to clean it by myself. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean this by myself. Get it soapy on there. You know what I'm saying? Get it down on the wheel. Oh, I can't do two things at the same time. I only got one more minute left, y'all. Still gotta get this gotta get one more of these. I done spent by like, it's like $5 now. They ain't trying to take my money. It ain't trying to take my money. I got me this little ass corn. Little ass corn. Alright, going back to rinse. Gotta rinse that motherfucker up. Oh shit. That's all I need is a minute. You gotta do 4 minutes. They're really scamming, y'all. Oh. Look, the corn gonna come out. Woo! Give me that corn. Give me that corn. Give me that corn ball. Now it should work. There we go. Pulling out my gun. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting wet by doing this. I ain't gonna lie. I only got like 4 more minutes left. I only got like 4 more minutes left. But like 3 more minutes left. I still got it down. I'm still finna reach this car. I'm gonna get my 4 minutes in. I could be doing a dance video in this motherfucker. I'm being challenged, man, like a big ass kid. I got 50 more seconds left. It's like a champagne. You know we popping champagne like this money. We won the championship game. Feel like I got on the championship ring because I balled. I should be cutting off now. Ah, they cut off. Alright, y'all. Let's get to the next scene. Feel like I put on a championship ring. But bitch, I ball harder. Y'all wanna see it? Man, welcome back to another YouTube channel, man. This your boy Tay, man. I hope y'all subscribe, all that type stuff, man, to this channel, man. I've been posting a lot and everything. So look, man, today I know y'all see the title of this video. Today, man, you know, I paid off, you know, my car. I've been having it for a year. 10K on this car. I spent 10K on this car in a year. Really less than a year, but it been a year when I got it. But you know, anyway, it go. It been a year. As you can see, I just finished out cleaning out my car. If you can hear the noise. But yeah, man, it been a year since I had this car. I finally paid it off. Man, I just want y'all to know. Look, my hair crazy. I just want y'all to know, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for supporting. You know, I'm still working on trying to get a lot of people in tune on this channel, man. Cause it's a good channel, man. It's really like documenting my life and stuff like that, man. Through the ups and downs, it don't matter what happened. You know, you gonna see it. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna give you my honest, what's really going on in my life. But with this car, man, y'all don't know what I've been through to get this car. So I'm gonna tell y'all a little story real quick about this car, man. So look, a year ago, you know, I bought a car from the auction. I bought a car from the auction, and it needed a title bill. So I had to I took it to a shop that can help me with a title bill, and this car was there. So when this car was there, I like, oh, that was nice. I seen it probably like 3-4 times. So my car had to stay at that lot. My other car, before I got this car, I ain't even get a chance to really drive my other car because I needed a title bill. So I was walking for 3 months in the heat. 3 months. Talking about 3 months, y'all. Talking about walking to work, back and forth, not catching the bus, saving my money and everything. So one day I came up and I told the dude, I said, hey, how much is the Camaro? He said, man, 10K. I said, all right. I said, man, I want it. He said, man, you can't afford this. You can't afford this car. It's 10K. You got $3,000 to put down. And I like, nah. But I didn't know the money that I saved for those 3 months. I didn't know I had the money. So anyway, he called me up. He said, man, hey, your car ready, man, which is my other car. Remember, this car's still on the lot. I said I couldn't afford this car. So when I walked down there to see about my other car, my car was stolen off their lot. So I feel like they sold my car. Because they wouldn't show me the cameras. And y'all niggas should have showed me the motherfucking cameras, man. Excuse my language, but y'all should have showed me that camera. Cause I work hard for that other car too as well. And y'all had me walking for 3 months. 3 months, boy. So then this thing, you know, I like, man, I want the Camaro, man, since y'all let somebody steal my car off y'all lot. And he was like, no. I said, well, you gotta he said, man, you gotta give me $3,000 for it down. I like, nah, I'll do 1,000. So I do 1,000 down. And he ain't thought I had it. So I said, I'll be back. Came back with my book bag. I put more than 1,000 down. So when I did that, you know, I got the car. It was a blessing. They really should still, they should have just let me got this car for free, really. Because the other car was like 5K by itself. And it was an old school car too. It was real old. But I was trying to, you know, get my wheels, man, if I can get back and forth from work, if I can get myself together. But yup, a little short little story. How I got the car, man. They said I couldn't get the car. I got it. Now it's mine. I own the car. 10K. I own this car. And I just thank God for it, man. I own this car, man. I own this car. I love this car. You know, hopefully I still have this car in the future when I get better cars. As you can see. Hopefully I get better cars, man. When I get better cars, I'm gonna show y'all. I might have a car channel one day. Never know. But this is my vlog, man. This is like my life. So, man, please subscribe, man. I'm still working on getting me a house, apartment, my first. My birthday just passed on April 5th. You know, oh yeah, and we're going to New York City. We're going to New York City, y'all, man. It's my dream to go to New York City, man. I can't wait to go there. So, man, I can't wait to take y'all there. I told y'all I was gonna take y'all everywhere I wanted. I was gonna take y'all everywhere I was gonna go. Wherever I go with, I was gonna take y'all, and I'll make sure I was gonna post. It don't matter if it was short or whatever, man. I'm taking y'all there, man. So, man, keep on subscribing to the channel, man. I appreciate it. Shout out to all y'all that been watching it. I know I ain't got too many people watching, but, man, it's a blessing that y'all watching. So, still, that's it. The car. The interior in this car is crazy, but my car kind of like messed up. It's kind of like a little dirty, a little bit, dirty. You know, like on the sides of on the sides, and it's like light around the whole entire car, like blue lights. So yeah, just the inside of my car. So it got lights go all the way around. I keep my hand sanitizer in here too. Gotta keep the hand sanitizer. Oh yeah, one more thing before we go. If I end this video, you know I got the drop top. Do it. Let's go. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga, I own this. I own this. This man told me I wasn't gonna get this car. Now I own this car. That's on my mama. That's on everything I love. This man said I won't never get this car. And I got it. I got it, nigga. I got it, nigga. Got it. Now I'm gonna get my own apartment. Talking about I ain't gonna never be nothing. Man. Must be a fool. Must be a fool. I don't think I'm gonna take off like this. We're gonna take it off one time. If y'all don't fall. Yeah. They're gonna tell me that I can't afford the car. Don't tell me I can't afford this car. I got it. And it's one of my dream cars before I even make it. This was a car that I wanted before I even wanted to make it, nigga. There was a car that I wanted, man. I wanted a Camaro. This probably an older Camaro, but I wanted a Camaro. And I promise y'all I'm gonna get an IA, Lamborghini, all that. But that's materialistic stuff. That's not what it is. That's not what it is at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you know, I just want to be wealthy, man. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do in life. I just want to be wealthy. That's all I want to do in life, bro. I want to make it, live my dreams, take care of my family, and make it, man. That's all it is. That's all it is, bro. The materialistic stuff, y'all don't let that get to y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I let it get to me, and it motivated me to be humble, though, at the same time, because I wanted it. And it's materialistic. I probably won't have this car for long, but I did it. I did it. That's all that matters, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all. We're gonna go get
my ex done left me for some money. She thought I was bumming. She talking like a different subject. She making all these different subjects. Whoa. You thought I was broke, but bitch, I'm